Number 1. Deforestation. Deforestation is the permanent removal of trees to make room for something besides forest. This can include clearing the land for agriculture or grazing, or using the timber for fuel, construction or manufacturing. Number 2. Industrial activity. Since the Industrial Revolution, humans have been burning fossil fuels such as coal and petroleum for energy, which releases carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. A quarter of this is for heat and electricity, while another quarter is for other industrial processes and transportation. These processes also release other greenhouse gases, such as methane. Number 3. Earth's own feedback loop. As the atmosphere warms, it is able to hold more water, which is already the most abundant greenhouse gas. This creates a feedback loop that accelerates global warming. It also creates more clouds, rainstorms and other symptoms of climate change. At the poles, the warming of the atmosphere melts the ice cover, exposing water, which is less reflective than ice. The water absorbs the sun's heat, and the oceans also become warmer as a result. Simple ways to stop global warming. Reduce, reuse, recycle. Buy energy-efficient appliances. Turn off electronic devices. Look for renewable fuel options. Save energy. Go green. Plant a tree. Conserve water.